Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to balance the left and right volume levels on your Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to the settings. Now here on the iPhone, go to accessibility, and here what you guys can do is scroll down until you guys see audio and the visual. And after we scroll down in here, we will have the balance. So here we can adjust the left and right channels. As you guys can see, now it's all the way to the left. Now we can also balance it all the way to the right, or simply put it in the middle as default. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.